Miriam, alam mo, as much as I wanna answer yes, may opportunity na mag-work gamit ang computer and wifi lang, it's no. No. Ako, sa ginagawa ko ngayon, so I do operations management, part of it, minsan gagawa ko ng SMM work, minsan kailangan ko makipag-meet sa clients. So, marami naman akong nagagawa ng cellphone ng gamit ko or iPad. However, kapag magsisimula ka pa lang at mag-aaral ka, marami pa ring limitations yung phone natin. Kahit gaano pa kaganda yung cellphone mo, marami pa rin siyang limitations na magagawa mo lang ay sa computer. Halimbawa, pagde-design, mayroong mga tiny little details na hindi kaya ng screen lang ng cellphone natin. So you really have to work sa mas malaking screen. Remember, freelancing, virtual assistants, online jobs, it's a business. So kailangan mo talagang mamuhunan. Hindi naman na ganun kahirap ngayon na maghanap ng chance or opportunity na makakuha ng laptop kung gugustuhin talaga natin. But I'm also not denying the fact na meron pa rin talagang times na kailangan mong magtipid, unahin ng ibang bagay. Kaya, ang lagi ko sinasabi, kung mag-aaral ka pa lang, pwede mong gamitin yung phone mo kasi pwede ka namang manood ng YouTube, pwede ka namang mag-create ng Canva Docs, pwede ka namang mag-spreadsheet, Google Workspace, pwede naman sa phone. Kapag medyo high-end yung phone mo, pwede ka rin mag-content creation, branding and all that. Pero kapag ka-actual work na, you really have to be ready kasi pag halimbawa, swertehin ka, nakahanap ka ng client, kailangan handa ka na bumili ng laptop. Ay, ito yung sinasabi na kailangan mo talaga mag-invest pero hindi sa kahit iba pang investment, equipment, and syempre para sa sarili mo. Kailangan mo ng skills, yan. Mag-invest ng time, ng effort. Hindi easy money ang working from home if you really want it to be sustainable and scalable. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!